Okay.
And get regular
Smart card over the smart card reader.
You're gonna switch off now.
Please wait. The ticket is now printing. Please take your ticket and change.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, come on, are we not going to trust that?我想試聽開，全部都查得嘅喎。佢嗰個點解有個便當盒咁？不枉我捐入嚟揾佢，好秘密啊！係，但係都幾秘密咯喎，入嚟仲要再入，唔飲得，有啲辣啊！我明白，我有明太子喎，唔係橙我唔飲啊，你錯啦，攞住嘅，唔使我唞淋翻啲咁樣，啲細單係咪？你想買呢個？ Watch that for season. I think I watched like recap videos or something. I didn't start watching until like season 2 or 3.
嗰個住成咗，除咗冬甩之外，剩嗰個。